There is one secret that you need to know about dropping fat and losing weight after the age of 40. Ready? Here it is. There is no one thing. Now, there's lots of things that are amazing for our health, like walking, getting in those steps every day, lifting weights, adding more protein. There's lots of health advice out there, but it's not the full story. We need to improve our insulin sensitivity, improve our leptin sensitivity, activate AMPK, which is your fat burning switch. We need to lower our cortisol, cannot stress that one enough. Increase fat oxidation, change your appetite, not just control your appetite, but actually change your appetite. Build lean muscle, which when we build our lean muscle, it naturally raises our metabolism. We have to enhance our mitochondrial function, lower oxidative stress, and rebuild your gut. That is the full story. I'm Colleen. I'm one of the scientific team members and health coaches with Silver Fern, and we have built our body composition kit to do exactly that. So we've got our metabolism, our postbiotic, and our build. Now, metabolism comes in a little tablet form, and then our postbiotic and build come in these really easy and convenient little rip-off packets that you can just put right into water. Does it smell great? No, not at all. Does it taste amazing? Not so much, but it's definitely tolerable. Does it take a little bit of time to work? Yeah, it does. But is it effective? Absolutely, 100% yes, if real results are what you're looking for. I'm 55, and when I hit my mid-40s, I felt like I hit a wall. It didn't matter what kind of walking I did, weightlifting, calories in, calories out, nothing was making a difference until I discovered the real story. And I know that I'm definitely not alone on that struggle. So this is my advice to you. Just follow the kit. It's not rocket science. It takes about 6 or 7 weeks to maybe start really kicking in. You'll notice it working, and then maybe it'll even slow down a little bit, but then it's gonna pick right back up. Month 6 to month 9, that's when the magic really starts happening. The fat falls off and your muscle is actually going to go up. It might be a little bit slow at first, but then, wow, you are seriously gonna start noticing some incredible results. You are going to feel it. You are going to see it. People are going to notice it. You're going to feel amazing. And if you need help with your gut, you can DM us the word protocol, or you can ask for me, Colleen. Helping people with their gut health, lymphatic health, and body composition is what I absolutely love to do most. So I look forward to speaking with you and helping you along your health journey.